Hi, my dear children. It's a matter of great pride and extreme privilege to be here in front of you day after day with this most amazing platform that Vedanta has given me, the We Biotonic platform, and share whatever little I've learned over the course of close to a decade of teaching that I've been doing. Today, I'm going to be sharing something which is very, very special because it takes me back to my college days. It takes me back to a time when I was sitting and preparing for my post-graduation entrance. I always wanted to do my master's in oral pathology, but that's another story for some other day. But yes, what I'm going to be talking about today is something which I learned from my seniors, my super seniors, seniors who are from the esteemed colleges like AIIMS. And we together at that time, I devised a way to prepare for 18 subjects or more of dentistry to be studied for my PG entrance, and I now call it with great humility the Vani's principle. So the Vani's principle is a principle that I've given down to generations of students, which really, really helps them to align their studies, to make sure that they have a way of studying. So many times, children, we are lost. We don't know how to make notes. We know how to make notes, but we are not able to finish the notes. We don't know what is the important part of a particular chapter. We get lost when we start to revise a particular chapter. किसी एक जगह से कहाँ से शुरू करें, क्या करें? It's all very humongous. And effort बहुत मांगता है, and the returns of the efforts that we put in. Hundreds of students write to me every single day, ma'am, we do put in efforts. We are studying for 8, 10, 15 hours, but still there are no results. So this particular principle will really help you to align your studies and get results. What is the Vani's principle? The Vani's principle is for you in some, let's say 3 or 4 very simple points. There is something which I want you to get introduced to, and that's as fresh, as beautiful as the chirping of these birds. It is the retrograde method of studies. Try it for some time. Don't suddenly change your way of studying, but try it for some time, and I can promise it to you, it will yield results if done the right way. So the retrograde method of studying says that before you embark, before you start, before you even step on to studies, you must open an MCQ book. Let's say we want to study human reproduction, or let's say we want to study genetics, principles of inheritance and variation, or let's say I want to study plant kingdom. I'm going to open the MCQ book of that particular chapter and just flip through the pages. This is part 1 of the Vani's principle. Listen to me very carefully. I'm just going to flip through the pages. What happens when I flip through these pages is my brain, which is beautiful and enigmatic human creation, I do catch some keywords. अच्छा, Mendelian ratio पे बहुत question आए हैं. Oh, dihybrid cross. Okay. There is something called polygenic inheritance. अच्छा, बार-बार question आ रहे हैं linkage पे. Okay, they are asking that what doesn't follow. I'm not able to understand any of this because I haven't really read the chapter. तो मैम ने अभी ये पढ़ाना है आपको, आपने वी बायोटॉनिक पे पढ़ना है, आपको स्केड्यूल पता है, आपको पता है कल ये होना है क्लास में. Why don't you open your books, flip through the pages and see what is important. Now your brain has already registered these key points. They have become a part of your subconscious memory. What you have to do right now is, then when the teacher is teaching, your brain subconsciously or even consciously will put in more attention, will give in more time, energy. Your ears are going to be like this when those particular topics are being done in the class. I cannot emphasize more as to how exactly your brain will work in miraculous ways, and those particular things which are important, your brain will really catch them and absorb them. It's one of the founding philosophies of the Vani's principle, the retrograde study. To summarize it, you have to pay more attention to some keywords, key points in a chapter. How will your brain know that? Read the MCQ book a day prior. It really helps. Part 2 of the Vani's principle. Whatever you study in a day, you have to do it in cycles. Your brain has to get a concept again and again and again. So what you have to do is, in the part 2 of the Vani's principle, whatever you studied in a day, it can be less, it can be more, it can be really too much, but whatever you chose to study in a day, you really need to keep 1 to 1.5 hours, maybe 2 at the end of the day, for only that particular topic, only that. for revision. And at the end of the day, just before you go into a slumber or siesta or sleep, you really need to revise that entire day's work again. It could be physics, chemistry, bio, anything. It could even be English, Hindi if you're preparing for your board exam. But you need to revise. This is the critical key concept, part 2 of the Vani's principle. Moving ahead to part 3 of the Vani's principle. This is revision. So what you do is, every morning when you get up, and trust me my dear kids, do it for some time. I have to tell you, it is going to be miraculous. I really have to tell you, it is going to yield such results that you will be surprised that, oh my God, this is how my marks are getting boosted. So in part 3 of the Vani's principle, my dear children, you have to get up the next day morning. See, your brain is beautiful, it's enigmatic. We still haven't really understood how it functions. But scientists say that in sleep, during nighttime, your memory gets activated. Your brain does form some synaptic junctions. You know, this little Vani's principle will probably physiologically help you to harness what your brain really wants to do. So what you have to do the next day morning when you get up, you could be going to school, you could have an early morning class. Just get up 15-20 minutes prior, will you please? Get up half an hour prior if you can. If you can get up 45 minutes to 1 hour prior to your regular routine, it'll be the best. But what I want you to do during this 1 hour is, whatever you did the previous day, whatever, just take 15 minutes, 20 minutes per subject. Just skim through the pages. I'm not saying आप रट्टे मारिए, आप सुबह उठ के 50 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कीजिए, आप 100 MCQ सॉल्व कीजिए, आप एक एक चीज़ दोबारा पढ़िए. At least make your eyes make use of the optic nerve. It's seeing, it's going to make a memory, it's going to the brain to make a synapse. These are scientific things which I'm talking about. I'm not just randomly, giving you jargon here. These are pure scientific things. So what's going to happen is that your brain will then see whatever you did the previous night, which somehow got internalized into your brain when you were sleeping. And then when you see them in the morning, they will get even more strongly embossed in your brain. Trust me, this happens. Trust me when I say this. Do it for 1 week. Come back here to We Biotonic and tell us the magical ways your life has really gotten transformed. Trust me when I say this. So what you have to do, just 3 points of the beautiful Vani's principle. Point number 1, before a chapter begins, do see the MCQs, because when you see the MCQ, your brain will pick up certain points on which questions are regularly asked. Thereby, when the teacher discusses those points, your brain becomes more alert and tells you to focus more on what the teacher is discussing. Thereby, you will also know that these are the important points on which I need to focus more. That's called the retrograde part of studies. Before you call it a day, in the evening, you really need to revise the entire day's effort. It could just be one chapter that you studied. It could just be a subject that you studied. But you really need to revise what you did throughout the day. Don't sleep without revision. It will not help you accumulate. It will not help you, cover everything in a gist. And the next day when you get up, just take a little while, but go through, just skim through. जल्दी से एक बार देख लो कि पिछले दिन आपने क्या किया है. It will truly, magically, beautifully, scientifically transform your life, your studies, your rank, your position, and the final outcome of all your studies. That's all for the day in the Vani's principle. Hope you liked it. I hope you will also like, share, subscribe to our amazing channel. Ring the bell icon for notifications. I hope you don't want to miss any of these notifications. That's all for the day. Take care. Bye children.